This is AMS TV and you are watching AMS English News, and here are today's top stories. A political storm has erupted in Datia, Madhya Pradesh after protests by BJP workers over the party's by-election ticket. Congress Rajya Sabha MP Vivek Tankha took a swipe at the BJP, saying there is a storm in my court. He claimed that party workers are upset over the alleged neglect of a senior leader and have taken to the street in protest. Tankha said he has never seen such protests by BJP workers before. He added that if the party's internal differences continue to grow, it could make the Congress stronger in the future election. However, he also described the matter as the BJP's internal issue.
माई के दरबार में इस वक्त तूफान कहिए तूफान बोलिए आया हुआ है। एक बीजेपी के बहुत सीनियर लीडर की अनदेखी हुई है और उसको लेके बीजेपी के लोग सड़क पे आ गए, चक्का जाम कर रहे हैं। ऐसा दृश्य मैंने पहले बीजेपी में देखा नहीं था। चिंता की बात है।
Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav inaugurated the My Youth My Pride Conclave 2026 at the Brilliant Convention Center in Indore. Hundreds of young people, students, teachers and experts attended the event. The Chief Minister said that youth are the biggest strength of the state and will play an important role in building a developed Madhya Pradesh. He encouraged young people to focus on innovation, skill development and self-reliance. He also said the state government is working to provide better education, employment and business opportunities. The conclave aims to connect youth with technology, leadership and career opportunities. Congress National Spokesperson Atul Lodhe Patil strongly criticized the BJP during a press conference in Bhopal. He alleged that the BJP misused people's faith in Lord Ram for political gains. According to him, the party used religion only to win elections and not to truly respect public faith. He said the BJP's main aim was political benefit rather than protecting religious values. The Congress leader also claimed that people are now questioning the government's intentions. His remarks came amid continuing political debate over religious issues and governance in the country. The investigation into the high-profile drug trafficking case in Indore has become stronger. The Indore Crime Branch has now joined the investigation along with the local police. A few days ago, Kulbhushan, also known as Nana Patwari, brother of Congress leader Jeetu Patwari, was questioned for several hours. Investigators believe the drug network may have links with Gujarat. Early findings suggest that both the supply chain and financial transactions are connected to the people outside Madhya Pradesh. Police and the crime branch are continuing their joint investigation to identify everyone involved in the illegal drug network. Priyanshi Prajapat from Ujjain has created history by winning a gold medal at the Under-23 Senior National Wrestling Championship in Rohtak, Haryana. She won the women's 50 kg category and brought the first gold medal for Madhya Pradesh in this championship. More than 70 top wrestlers from states including Haryana, Punjab, Delhi, Maharashtra, Telangana, Rajasthan and Karnataka are taking part in the event. After her impressive victory, Priyanshi has been selected to represent India in an international wrestling competition in Hungary. Her achievement has made Madhya Pradesh proud and inspired many young athletes. The India Meteorological Department has said that Madhya Pradesh is expected to receive light rainfall for the next 3 days. According to the weather office in Bhopal, the current weather system is becoming weak, so no heavy rain warning has been issued for July 11th, 12th and 13th. Most districts are likely to experience light showers and cloudy weather. However, weather officials say that some districts may receive heavy rainfall on July 14th if a new weather system becomes active. People are advised to stay updated with local weather forecast and follow official advisories.